Morning, students. Today we will discuss another topic in our cost accounting subject in your BCom fifth semester. So let's go discuss another next topic. Last class we discussed about cost accounting. That means meaning of cost accounting, meaning of cost, and meaning of costing. What are the objectives? Then scope and advantages. Now we discuss the topic about the financial accounting. The financial accounting is the next topic in our subject of cost accounting. Let's go see what is the meaning of financial accounting, what are the other aspects included in the subject. Financial accounting is a branch of accounting that records each financial information and analyzes it to determine the financial position of the business. It is a process of recording, summarizing, analyzing, and presentation of all financial transactions of business in the form of financial statements. The financial accounting involves the presentation of various financial statements like income statement, the cash flow statement, and balance sheet and other statements. Using accounting principles including in that preparation of financial statements. Then these financial statements are prepared on a routine basis by companies and are presented to all its stakeholders. The stakeholders means who are related to the company internally and externally. The financial accounting aims at delivering a fair and accurate image of financial affairs of business to all its stakeholders. It is done in accordance with rules provided by GAAP or IFRS. It is an important tool for management in their decision making as they depend on financial reports for decision taking and forecasting purposes. The financial statements prepared by financial accounting take into account the following aspects of business like expenses, revenues, assets, equity, and liability. Financial accounting has an important role in increasing profitability and efficiency as it helps in managing all financial resources of the business. It is statutorily required to practice financial accounting in their operations by every business organization in our country. Based on that financial accounting department, they have to prepare the financial statements and financial reports and present to the stakeholders. That is the main important aspect is including in that financial accounting. Let's go discuss what are the objectives of financial accounting. This is very important here. The first objective of financial accounting is compliance with statutory requirement. One of the objectives is to ensure compliance with the local laws related to taxation, then Companies Act and other statutory requirements relevant to the country where the business undertakes. It ensures that the business affairs adhere to such laws and relevant provisions comply while business is conducted. Then second objective of financial accounting is safeguarding of interest of various stakeholders. It provides suitable and relevant information related to business operations to various stakeholders such as shareholders, then prospective investors, then financiers, then customers, creditors. They are not just appropriate for those who are having existing business relationship but also for those who are interpreted, that means having future collaboration with the business by providing them with meaningful information about the business. Further, financial accounting standards ensure control over accounting policies of business to protect the interest of investors. Based on these all aspects, the investor safeguard is including in the financial accounting. That is another important objective of the financial accounting is safeguarding of interest to various stakeholders. The next objective is helps in the measurement of profit and loss of the business. The financial accounting, the main aim is preparation and presentation of financial reports. The preparation and presentation of financial reports means that financial reports have mainly the financial statements. The financial statements means in that financial statements, first we have to consider two types of financial statements. The first one is income statement or trading and profit and loss account. The another one is balance sheet. In that income statement, we have to identify how much profit and how much loss including in our business organization. That means it measures the profitability of the business for a particular period and discloses the net profit or loss of the business as a whole. It also exhibits the assets and liabilities of the business. Based on all these financial statements, it will measure net profit or net loss of the business organization, and also gross profit or gross loss of the business organization. Then how many assets are there, then how many liabilities are including is there. These are all aspects also including in that financial accounting, means helps the measurement of profit and loss of the business. The another important objective of presentation of historical records. That means it focuses on the presentation of historical records and not on the forecasting futures, unlike other accounting. The primary rationale in preparation of financial accounts is the ascertainment of profit and or loss incurred by the business in the period concerned. The next objective is focus on external transaction of business. It focuses on it focuses on it focuses on transaction which the business enters into with external parties, which can be customers, suppliers, others. And based on these transactions, the accounts are prepared to quantify the business and cost incurred as expenses and resultant profit or loss element. These are the main important aspects including in this subject, that means focus on external transaction of business. The last and another important objective of financial accounting is meeting the objective of various stakeholders. That means another essential objective is meeting the needs of various stakeholders which are associated with the business. Different stakeholders have different purposes, such as lenders to the business intends to assess the capability of the business to pay interest and principal, and which is lent to the business or prospective lenders, so they are more interested in the solvency of the business and focus on that aspect. Similarly, customers are interested in knowing the growth of stability of the business and focus more on cash flow statements and financial statements to determine the ability of the business to provide better business terms and a consistent supply of goods and services. In these the two aspects are very very important for meet this objective. That means if you meet the stakeholders objective, definitely your business will get. The financial accounting provide information about the type of important aspect to the stakeholders. That means all stakeholders mainly based on the financial statements. Based on that financial statements, the stakeholders will take the decision. That means manager is one of the stakeholder already. The manager will take the decision based on that financial statements. Same way customer will take the decision, and also investors, then shareholders, then government, then banks, financial institutions, then suppliers, then creditors. These are all mainly depends upon the financial statements. Based on financial statement performance, they will take that decision. That means another important objective of financial accounting is meeting the objective of various stakeholders. If you are a customer, what you want from our organization. If you are an investor, what you want. If you are a manager, then what you want. If you are a supplier, what you want. These are all things also including the meeting the objective of various stakeholders. These are the main important objectives we are including in that financial accounting. Once again, I will repeat: compliance with the statutory, that means requirements, and safeguarding of interest of various stakeholders, then helps in measurement of profit and loss account of the business, then presentation of historical records, focus on external transaction of business, then meeting the objective of various stakeholders. Okay, these are the objectives. Let's go next one here. Advantages of financial accounting. What are the advantages we are getting from that financial accounting? This is another topic is there. Let's go. The first advantage is maintain business records. The maintain business records means the financial accounting records each and every transaction of the business organization, It systematically maintains a proper book of accounts of all monetary transactions. Unlike human memory, which has a limited capacity to remember things, the financial accounting can record large amounts of transactions. That is the first important advantage of the financial accounting. That means the first advantage, maintain business records. That means maintain each and every day the monetary transaction into the records. If you want required in your future for fast transaction, based on that record you have to identify. That is another important advantage we are getting from that financial accounting. Then another one is here, the prevention and detection of fraud. Avoidance and detection of frauds and or errors is an important role played by financial accounting. It records all financial data fairly, which is used by management for analysis purpose. This data acts as a proof and reduces the chances of any frauds or errors. Based on the advantage, the financial accounting department will provide accurate information. That means if the accounting manager record any transaction, the transactions have mainly physical evidence. Based on that physical evidence, there is no any frauds. If the manager want to extend their expenses or misrecord their expenses, misrecord their expenses, they have to show the proofs, the physical evidence. That's why another important advantage of financial accounting is prevention and detection of fraud is very important here. The next one here, present true financial position. The financial accounting reveals and interprets the true financial position of the organization. It records each financial aspects and supplies it from time to time to the internal management team. Managers get the real ideas of all financial resources of the organization regularly through data supplied by financial accounting. It helps them in making proper decisions for managing the overall financial position. The financial position means mainly depends upon the financial statement. Based on that financial statement, we have to reveal and interpret the true financial position of the organization. That is another important advantage is present true financial position of the organization. True financial position of the organization. The next advantage of financial accounting is helps in preparing financial statements. This is very important advantage of financial accounting is preparation of financial statements is a must for knowing the true profit or loss and real worth of the organization. Financial accounting supplies all relevant accounting data for the preparation of financial statements like profit and loss account and balance sheet. That means if the financial accounting want to prepare financial statements, the financial statements are required and the financial statements include income statement and balance sheet. In that income statement they required what are the expenditures and what are the incomes, and balance sheet they require what are the assets and what are the liabilities are involving in that is there. Based on all these aspects, the financial accounting will help in preparing financial statements. The next another objective is the comparison of profits. The comparison of profits is another important advantage of financial accounting. That means it helps in comparison the performance of business organizations. It systematically records and stores financial data for many accounting years. This way, the comparison of present data with previous year's data can be easily done. Based on that comparison, they have to identify what is their financial position. Okay, if you take an example, last 5 years financial data, what about their profits? It will that means increase or decrease. They have to identify. Same way here, they have to identify assets position and liabilities position also is there. That is the main aspect, including here the comparison of result. That is very important advantage we are getting from the financial accounting. The next one is acts as legal evidence. Financial accounting serves as a legal evidence of all data and helps in settle of all business disputes. It prepares and maintains systematic books of accounts of all financial transactions, which can be used for avoiding any confusion or misunderstanding from the others. That's why the financial accounting is provide the legal evidence to the business organization. If the organization is having any problem in future, based on this statement, based on these records, that means based on that systematic records, they will have some physical legal evidence. That is another important advantage. The next one here, the last and next one here, assist the management. That means manager depends on financial accounting for various data for taking managerial decisions. It provides the full information regarding all cash flows in organization. They can easily anticipate any surplus or deficit or funds in an organization and take decision accordingly based on that financial reports. The financial accounting can easily assist the management for take the decisions in their business organization. From the financial accounting prepares statements. Based on statements, they have to identify the financial position. Based on that financial position, the manager will take the decision. That is another last important advantage of financial accounting is assist the management. Okay, let's go discuss the disadvantages of financial accounting. What are the disadvantages of financial accounting? Let's go discuss. The first disadvantage is records only financial aspects. That means the foremost disadvantage of financial accounting is that it considers only monetary transactions of organizations. It does not take into account various non-financial aspects such as market competition and economic conditions and political situations and government rules and regulations. All these factors have a great influence on the functioning of organization. That's why the important disadvantage of financial accounting is records only financial aspects. It not consider non-financial aspects in their business organization. That's why this will come under disadvantage. The next another important disadvantage is historical in nature. That means historic in nature. In this situation, we have to identify the financial accounting provides all historical data from past activities. It does not provide data on day-to-day activities, rather than it accumulates all accounting information of a particular accounting period at the end of the period. All financial decisions of the future are taken on the basis of this past information, where historical data may not be always appropriate for predicting future activities. Then it will be collapse in our business. That is another important disadvantage of financial accounting is. The next one here provides insufficient information. Now, the financial accounting does not provide detailed information related to the departments, then products, processes, service, or any other activities within the organization. It presents data as a whole in terms of assets, liabilities, then profits and losses of organization. Separate data related to specific activities are not presented, which may be required by management for decision making. That's why this is another disadvantage of financial accounting is provides insufficient information. The another important disadvantage of financial accounting is no cost control method. It does not have any role in controlling the cost of expenses, controlling the cost of organization. Financial accounting provides cost data at end of accounting period means when they are already incurred in their business organization. It also does not check any wastage or losses of materials and misappropriation including in that organization. The financial accounting has nothing to do with controlling the cost. It is only providing record of the transactions. That's why in that financial accounting, no cost control including in this process. That's why that is another important disadvantage of financial accounting is no cost control method is including here. Next, may be manipulated. That means may be manipulated means information presented by financial accounting may be manipulated as per the desire of management. They may change the figures and present misappropriated data for their interest. Then profit may be shown high by them to attract equity shareholders, or they may reduce it to evade tax. Some managers also they want to do some fraud for showing more profits for their organization, then they will maybe manipulate it and showing more profits. That's why that is another important disadvantage of financial accounting is may be manipulated. Next, the last disadvantage of the financial accounting is records actual cost. The financial accounting does not consider the price fluctuations taking place from time to time. It records the historical cost or the actual cost of the acquisition of asset. The value of the asset does not remain the same and it changes with time. Financial accounting in this way may present inaccurate information to the organization. Then if the asset will change in future, the financial accounting can't recognize and can't estimate. That's why this is another important disadvantage of financial accounting is the records actual cost. Okay, these are the main important disadvantages. Record only financial aspects, the historical in nature, provide insufficient information, no cost control method, then may be manipulated and records actual cost. Okay guys, this is today topic like financial accounting. Then if you have any questions, already I told you, then message me. Then we have one WhatsApp group, then chat with me for your clarification of your questions. And if you have any other guidance. Okay. Thank you guys. Jai Hind. We will meet in the next class. Thank you. Thank you so much.